Hi, and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you a new feature we have added to your Genesis Now Pro system. We have added a new marketing campaign, and this campaign is going to be for any of your clients that do not have a Medicare supplement policy with you. So let me demonstrate this for you. I'm here at my dashboard. I'm going to go down to Agency, All Locations. And if you only have one location, you'll go into that location, obviously. But if you have multiple, then you can set up the marketing for each individual location. So maybe this location does more life insurance, and you really want to get this type of email out there to these clients. Now, I went into my location marketing. And as I scroll down, you can see here that no Medicare supplement. This is going to send out an email that's going to be for those customers that do not have this particular type of insurance, and you're asking if maybe you can shop them. Now, you would always want to test and check your email to make sure that it's the way you'd like for it to read. When you have it up to your standards, you hit save. Now, in this criteria section, you're going to see that we can set the number of days that we want this email to go out. So this email is going to go out to all of our active policy holders, regardless of what type of policy they have. So any policy holder that you have that's active, they're going to get this email maybe 30 days. You can even set it to 45 days prior to the expiration of their active policy. Now, we save it, and we can go and see here that the criteria for this email is going to be clients without this type of policy. It's going to be sent 45 days prior to the closest active policy expiring. It's going to go to the first insured or second insured that reaches the age of 64 and a half. And it's going to go to their email address. Now, again, always test and edit here, and you can do that for the text as well. It can go out to active policies, inactive policies, maybe just prospects. Whoever you wish here, you can send it to. Maybe you have a particular source you want it to go to. That can all be set up right there. Now, once you have it set to the way you like, if you don't wish to have it there, hit the X and then save location. Now, in your marketing name down here, you'll need to add the No Medicare Supplement marketing name. If you have a signature, you can go ahead and stick your signature in here. That will go out with the email. And once you have it all set up, you can turn it on and save. And now you set it and forget it. Now this campaign will run for any policy that's coming up and it's going to expire, and or they are turning that age of 65 and a half. Any criteria that you see here, 64 and a half, excuse me, and any criteria that you see here is going to be when this email goes out. So hope this helps with your marketing campaigns, getting more emails out to your clients. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Have a great day.